Hello everyone. Today, I'll walk you through a detailed demonstration of a class 12 physics practical, finding the focal length of a convex lens using an optical bench. We use key equipment like uprights with clamp, edge needles, and of course the convex lens. This is a crucial experiment that highlights the principles of optics and the concept of parallax elimination. Let's begin. Now, what is the theory behind it? A convex lens converges parallel light rays to a single focal point. By accurately measuring the object distance u and the image distance v, we can determine the focal length f using the lens formula 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now, our goal is to align the optical components to form a clear image and eliminate the parallax between the image needle and the edge needle. Hence, the equipment we'll be using. This is an optical bench of 100 centimeter. These are the uprights with clamps. This is the convex lens we're going to study about. And this is the object needle and this is the image needle. Now, you all must be wondering what is parallax and how we can eliminate it. Parallax is when the image and the object seem to shift when you move your head. It's like when you close one eye and objects appear to move. Now, how we can eliminate it? Now, for the better understanding of the viewers, I would like to explain it in Hindi. Parallax कैसे remove करें? ये जो object needle है और ये जो image needle है, इसे हम इस तरीके से align करेंगे, ऐसे position में रखेंगे कि जो दो इस object needle का जो image convex lens में बन रहा है और ये जो image needle का tip है, वो tip to tip हो, coincide करे, जो image form हो रहा है उसमें coincide करे. तब ये माना जाएगा कि पैरेलैक्स नहीं है. और पैरेलैक्स होने का क्या मतलब है? जब ये इमेज और जो नीडल है ये इस तरीके से हो कि ये इस प्रकार हो, इनका टिप एक दूसरे से कोइंसाइड ना कर रहा हो तो मतलब पैरेलैक्स है. एंड व्हेन इट इज लाइक दिस देन देयर इज नो पैरेलैक्स. Now we have positioned this center upright clamp at 50. And now we'll start taking the values of u and v to find out the focal length of this convex lens. Firstly, the u, that is the object needle, is at 25 centimeter. Right. Now, this is 50 and this is 25. Subtracting these values, we get the distance between this convex lens and the object needle. Now, this is also 50, right? 100 centimeter optical bench. This is 50, so this is also 50. Subtracting this value, then we can get this. Now, what is this? 65, 66, 67, 68. Subtracting 68 and 50, we get 18. Now, with this experiment, throughout this experiment, we got these readings. We put the object distance u at these points and the image needle at these points. And with this formula, we got the focal length. You might not get accurate focal length, but the nearest ones tells you that the particular convex lens is of that particular focal length. Now, with this experiment and all these readings, we can conclude that this convex lens that we used is of 10 centimeter focal length.